Smoked tilapia with citrus garlic butter sauce and smoke roasted veggies on Smokin' and Drinkin'. Hey, welcome back to Smokin' and Drinkin'. I'm Mike, and today we're going to make smoked tilapia with citrus garlic butter. Go along with that, we have we're going to smoke roast some veggies. We've got yellow squash, zucchini squash, green peppers, and some orange peppers, and some tomatoes. And we got those seasoned up and oiled with some avocado oil, black pepper, and salt, sea salt. And we're going to put them in these spinner roasters. Got those for Christmas, so we're going to try those out. Got a little carried away, and I've got quite a few veggies, so I'm going to have to use them both. But let's get started. All right, we've got two fresh tilapia fillets, and I've got them just patted dry with a paper towel, and we're going to spray a little bit of avocado oil on there, and then we're going to season them. We've got some seasonings prepared here. I use avocado oil because it has a higher flash point. It does a little bit better on higher heats and on smokers and things like that. So it won't burn is the idea. So let's get these seasoned up and get started. We've got the smoker preheating with pecan pellets at 225. So that'll be ready in a minute, and we'll get these tilapia fillets seasoned up and get them out on, we're going to use wood planks, cedar planks. So let's get them seasoned. All right, first thing we need to do is get each side. You can use olive oil or even avocado oil, the liquid, and brush it on. The spray is so easy. I like to use it. I'm trying to do things easier in the kitchen, and there's a lot of things going on. I'm trying to streamline and be more efficient. So, okay, and then we've got our seasonings. It's pretty simple. It's just sea salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. You could add some cayenne if you wanted to bring a little heat to it, but we're just going, we're not really going for heat today. We're just want a good smoky flavor. Just going to mix these all up here a little bit. I don't have a rub for fish, so I have to work on that. But anyway, so we got that, and then we're just going to sprinkle our seasoning on just like we would a rub. And be sure and get it distributed evenly. And then we're going to flip them over and do the other side. We've got 2 cedar planks soaking in water. Had them soaking for about an hour so that they don't completely burn up in the smoker. All right, and then let's get our planks. Want to kind of towel them off a little bit. You don't want them completely dry, but there's one. I found that cedar planks really bring out a nice flavor in fish. So we're going to put one fillet on each plank, and just going to add a couple of spots I missed there. Okay, got that ready to go. Now we'll just get those out on the smoker. And then while those are, we'll probably go 45 to 60 minutes, but I'm going to check it at 30 minutes. We want to check it when the internal temperature is about 145 degrees. So we're going to monitor that pretty closely. But while that's out on the smoker, we're going to mix up our garlic butter, uh, citrus garlic butter glaze or basting. And we'll come back in and we'll get these veggies on too. We're going to put them on about the same time as the fish. So let's get the tilapia out on the smoker. All right, we got our smoker up to 225. And we're just going to put our planks right on the grill and let them go. We'll check back in 30 minutes, but it's probably going to need to go at least 45 minutes. We'll check back in. Okay, we've got the tilapia on the smoker. We're going to wait with the veggies until about the end. We're going to put those in at a much higher temperature, probably about 350. They only take about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something like that. So we're going to wait to put those on. We're going to make our citrus garlic butter that we're going to use to baste the fish with. So what we've got here is 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and we have some 1 clove of garlic, minced. I like garlic. And we have some smoked paprika, some chopped parsley, and a tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And we just need to mix that up a little bit. And we'll set that aside and wait until our tilapia is done. So we'll just let that sit. We'll be back in just a second. Forgot to take the other half of my lemon and spritz the tilapia on the smoker. So we're going to run out and just spritz it a little bit, give it a little bit of lemon flavor. You could also zest the lemon and add that into the seasoning. I like the just lemon juice, so I'm going to run out there and get the zest on, or the lemon juice on there real quick. Okay, I checked the temperature in there at about 130. Probably going to take another 10 minutes or so. So I am going to baste these with the citric garlic butter sauce, and it's just going to baste that on there real nice. And then we'll have some left over, and we'll use that. We'll serve that. I will serve that with dinner. And if Mrs. Smokin and Drinkin or I want a little extra butter sauce, we'll have some. All right. Those are looking nice. Okay, we'll check back in another 10 minutes or so. Then we're going to we'll get these inside and we'll tent them, and we're going to crank the heat up all the way up, and we'll do those veggies. They'll take about 5 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay, the tilapia is done. I checked the temp on it, and it is at 145. So I'm going to go out and get the fish off. We're going to bring them in, and we're going to tent them for just a minute. I've already cranked the smoker up, so we're going to get those on for about 5 minutes, and then we'll be ready to plate this all together and have a taste. So let's get out to the smoker. Okay, let's just get those covered up so they stay warm. Let's get our veggies out and get them going. This is Smokin and Drinkin. It's nice enough to put a few hush puppies in the air fryer. So we'll just add a few hush puppies to the dish. I love hush puppies. Okay, almost there. Just got a few more minutes on the veggies. It's not really doing much good anymore, but all right, I just grabbed the smaller one. The bigger one was a little more full, not quite done yet, so I'm gonna get this open. Get this off of there. Get it unlocked. There we go. Now we got it. Okay. Oh, those look nice. All right, we'll just set this aside. And I think they might have been able to go a little longer. I left the other one on there. They might be a little better. But these aren't bad. They're not too bad. Don't want all of one thing here. I like to get a good mixture. Get some zucchini in there. Tomato. All right. Not bad. That look good. Okay. Can't wait to dig into this. Should have poured a glass of wine. Well, I'm going to do that. Poured myself a glass of Raven's Blood wine. We made that, and you can check that video out. I'll put a link up here. And that's going to go nicely with this. But let's get a little taste here. A little bit of the fish, a little bit of the rice. Gotta use my fingers. Oh wow, that's got a nice smoky flavor to it. It's almost like a steak, but it's fish. Let's get a couple of these veggies here. That's good too. Well, that about does it for the smoked tilapia with citrus garlic butter sauce and the smoked roasted veggies. Thanks again for tuning in to Smokin and Drinkin. Remember to subscribe and like and hit that notification bell. And as always, Prost!